Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This pre-market Pulsescan Vulcan Report is being recorded on Friday morning, March the 16th, 2018. And you're speaking with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. All right, so looking at these overnight markets on this Take Back Friday. Take Back Friday, for those of you who are new, is when there's profit taking. So if the market's been down all week, you'll see a reversal and a rally as people take profit off the table, and vice versa. If it's been a rally all week, people will take profit off the table and you'll see the markets go down. Let's jump into these overnight. Starting with the Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures are off 60 right now. The intraday price inflection point, key point to watch right now, is in effect, and that is 83.30. All right, 83.30. If that is taken out, then there's a possibility of a reversal in the Bitcoin futures, and the initial target is 84.76. And if it gets wind behind it, it can go as high as 91.70. Those are the intraday price inflection points that are being watched on the Bitcoin futures. The Dow is down 41. I make it 42 now at 24,884. The Nasdaq 100 is down 8 at 70.62 and 3/4. ME S&P 500 is down 1.5 at 27.54 Russell is down 2.2 at 15.80.80. And gold is up $2.80 at 13.20.60. Silver is up 5 cents at $16.47. And crude oil is up 12 cents at $61.37 a barrel. The euro is up 16 pips at 124.10. Pound sterling up 24 at 140.16. And the Aussie is down 37 pips at 77.64. And the US dollar is down 16 pips at 89.97. Taking a look at what the price inflection point is for gold futures at this moment. And I will have that up for you in just a second. All right. 13.24.90 is the price inflection point for gold. If reached, the market can start a corrective mode off of this sideways channel and possibly rally as high as 13. I want to say right now it's 13.22 is the trend line resistance, and then on, let's see, because we're right there at the door. All right, 13.24.90 intraday price inflection point for a possible rally. And on the daily chart, that would coincide with the 13.25.10 overhead resistance. And that would get us higher up in the Kumo cloud. So it's possible the market could get as high as somewhere in the 1330s. All right, so not that far to go, but still a long way to go on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, you just need to close above the 13.2730. So gold has the possibility to get some legs under it. Let's find out what happens. All right, looking at silver. All right, from the overnight, price inflection points are, all right, 1661, and then that would bring us closer toward the 1673 first overhead resistance, and then the 1690 long-term trend line resistance, and then that takes us to the bottom of the Kumo cloud between 17 and 1704. So this could be interesting. to see what happens today, what shapes up. Intraday price inflection point for support is at 1621 on silver. All right, let's see here. Looking at, let's see where we are on the NASDAQ. All right. On the NASDAQ, intraday price inflection point for support is at 70.34. And overhead resistance right now is at 70.72 3/4. So a close above that would be a bullish sign for possible breakout rally. And first overhead resistance is at 7100 and then 7150. So that's where we are on the NASDAQ 100 right now. All right, so taking out 70.34 1/4 would set up a possible sell-off in this market. Today, the market needs to close above 69.15 3/4, which should not be hard to do unless the market really sells off. Then we'll see what happens. But for right now, that's what we got. So not a whole lot of action going on. Let's look at this euro yen. We haven't seen Forex in a while. Let's see what we got here. See if the euro yen holds any keys for us today. All right, the euro yen's really been weak and is actually looking like it's setting up for a sell-off. All right, it's looking like it's in bad shape. All right, so the intraday price inflection point for a key reversal is currently right now is at 131.31. All right, so a break above that would be a key reversal, and the sell-off would be short-term bottomed at that point, and then the market would rally. Right now, the market is on alert though, because the intraday price inflection point right now for the euro yen is 129.98. All right, if the market gets below that, that's a price inflection point. So the sell-off would be very powerful to the downside, and you don't have any support beyond that. So that's a really strong key reversal on the euro yen. Yeah, you will break support at that point. So you don't want to see that. So this is what it's looking like. You got rampage coming up, but you're still in a well-defined downtrend channel, and that doesn't look to be changing anytime soon without a powerful rally. Market does need to close above 130.174 today, though, in order to put in a short-term bottom in the euro yen. All right, let's take a look at the euro itself. All right, it's in the downtrend channel also. Key upside reversal is at 123.73. So a break above that would put in a short-term bottom and cause the market to rally on the intraday. So that's what you're looking for, intraday. As far as key support for today, that's at 122.26 in the euro. All right, let's take a look at the yen. All right, that's in a downtrend channel below the Kumo cloud, looking like it's trying to build a base. Let's see here. Trying to build a base. All right. Intraday price inflection point is at 106.23 in the yen. All right, so a break above that would put in a short-term bottom, but you do have overhead resistance at 106.40. All right, and you would be inside the Kumo cloud, so that's going to be interesting. Market does need to close above 106.98 today to put in a short-term bottom on the yen. If that is achieved, then the first profit target will be at 109.37 and then 110.63. So this one is definitely one to watch to see what's going to happen. Is it going to continue to sell off as it's looking like it's about to do? And if it does, right now you have really no bottom. You got a soft support and that's it. Your soft support right now is at 105.40, okay? And if taken out, the price acceleration, we don't know. This doesn't have a bottom. All right, but you have a powerful pointer from March the 7th, okay? So this one is looking like it wants to fall off a cliff. Let's see what happens. Let's see what else we're going to do. Let's do a couple here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the Canadian dollar. Show the Forex people some love. Canadian dollar is really rocking right now, and that's definitely helping gold. You're in rally mode now on all time frames, okay? Key intraday price inflection point. Let's pull that up. Okay, so the key intraday price inflection point for key reversal in the Canadian is at 130.15. A close below 130.15 could set up a correction or some sort of profit taking, but right now you're good. All the market needs to do today is close above 127.92 to maintain the bullish outlook and set up a continuation pattern for rally mode into next week. All right, let's see. Let's do one we normally don't even watch. I'm gonna hook you up with the Swiss franc. All right, let's see. Okay, on the Swiss franc, intraday price inflection point right now is at 94.66. All right, if the market takes that out, then you have a correction down to possibly 94.40 or below that. And right now the market does look to be well supported around the 94.78 level. So this one's to be watched. On the weekly chart though, right now, if this market takes out 95.53 on the top side, then you're in rally mode at that point, and a continuation pattern is set up. And the first initial upside target would be the long-term trend line resistance at 96.95 right here. And that will put you into the Kumo cloud. All right, let's do one last one here. If I can remember the symbol. Oh, let's see. Pulling up the Kiwi. All right. For those who don't know what that is, that's the New Zealand dollar. All right, so this one's looking also, it's been consolidated, as you can see. Intraday price inflection point to put it in some type of short-term bottom around the support line is going to be at 72.97. Take that out and the market will be in correction mode. And overhead resistance is somewhere between 74.50 and 75. So that's where you are here. Market needs to close today above 72.84 to put in a short-term bottom on the weekly chart. All right, I think that about covers it. We've done quite a few today. If I missed anything, sorry about that, but that's just where we are on the futures and the Forex. All right, so we'll see if we have a Take Back Friday in effect or no. With that being said, remember pulsewavetrading.com, where you can come and learn how to trade these markets, learn how to profit, especially in difficult markets, sideways markets, times of extreme volatility and low volatility. Learn what the central banks do not want you to know. They don't want you to harness this power. They don't want you to be able to defeat their AI programs that manipulate markets worldwide. Come and learn how to pick their pockets clean. All right? Standard technical analysis tools that come with basic charting software packages will not do it. This is not the 1980s. We're now well into the 2000s, and artificial intelligence has taken over just about every day-to-day routine, especially in these markets. So put the power in your hands. Standard day trading will not cut it. Trying to read 5-minute charts, 1-minute charts, tick charts, the game is over. You will not win. There's no long-term success with being chained to your computer screen all day. Learn how to swing trade properly. Putting the algorithms in your favor. Pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.